So this topic appears on both the foundation and the higher tier now, and it's not easy. But if we've got two equations and you have to solve them simultaneously, then what we do is, as a rule of thumb, get the second letter the same. Now, by the second letter, what I mean is that I want to find a number that 3 goes into and 2 goes into. So a number that they both go into is 6. So what I need to do is I need to make this, or the first thing, something with 6y. So I've got to double it. And if I double it, I'm going to get 10x plus 6y equals 72. Now I need to get the bottom one equaling 6y. So if I double that, it's going to be 4y. If I treble that, that's going to be 6y. So that's going to be 12x plus 6y. If I do 3 lots of 26, that's going to be 78. So then I've got 12x plus 6y is 78 and 10x plus 6y is 72. If the signs are the same here, then what I do is I subtract the equations. So 12x take away 10x is 2x. 6y take away 6y just disappears. 78 take away 72 leaves us with 6. So I've got 2x is 6. Therefore 1x is going to equal 3. Now, as soon as I've got x equaling 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute that back into my original equation. So I've got 5x's plus 3y's is 36, but I know that x is 3. So instead of 5x's, I can say 5 3's. So 5 3's is 15, plus 3y equals 36. And I'm going to take away 15 from both sides. So if I take away 15 from both sides, I'm left with 3y on that side, and I'm left with 21 on this side. Then I've got y equals 7. That's it. So the final answer was x equals 3 and y equals 7. Now, I want you to pause the video, have a go at this question over here. And if you've done that, then what you've got to do is you've got to make the second letter the same. So I want to make them both 20b. So I'm going to need to multiply this one by 5. So that's going to be 30a plus 20b equals 190. I then need to multiply this one by 4. So if I multiply that one by 4, I'm going to get 28a plus 20b. 45 times 4 is 180. Now that the b's are the same, and it's both a plus sign, so it's the same sign which this video is on about, I'll do the top, well, the bigger one take away the smaller one. So 30a take away 28a is 2a. 190 take away 180 is going to be 10, and the b's just disappear. So then a equals 5. I'm going to write out the first equation again. So instead of 6 lots of a, 6 lots of a is going to be 30. That's going to be 30 plus 4b equals 38. I take away 30 from both sides. 4b equals 8. So b equals 2. So I've got a equals 5, b equals 2, and that's my solution.